Did you know 80% of cardiac arrest happens at home? That's why it's very critical to know how to do CPR. But first off, we got to know if the person needs CPR. So, first off, we got to see if the person is responsive or not. Simply, hey Bob, can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? We're making very big noise. We're going to try to see if we see any sort of reactions. All I want is something saying back to me or the eyes opening up. Nothing is happening. Now we got to go more vigorous and check for ABCs. You want to make sure you have your PPEs on. In my case, I'm going to put on gloves. There we go. Second hand in. Once I have my PPEs on, now I'm going to go down to the level of the individual, put 2 fingers under the chin, 1 hand over the forehead, open up the airway and tilt that back, look, listen, and feel. I am feeling for the breath hitting my face and looking for the chest expansion for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I do not feel any sort of breathing right now. I don't see any chest expansions. I'm looking at the face. I see that the face is all pale, lips blue, all the indication that this person needs CPR. But first, don't forget, we need to call 911 for this person. So I'm going to ask someone calling the 911. All right. So we got to know where the hand position is. That is the middle of the chest, the sternum. So we go under the armpit with the heel of our hand, center of the chest. We make sure I'm arm straight, the other hand on top, the other arm over here, both straight. And I'm using my back to provide all of the compressions there. Rate 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Minimum of 2 inches of compression. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Push hard, push fast. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 compressions done. Now it's the time to provide the breath. I get my pocket mask out, unfold it, prepare it, get my one-time use valve in, screw it in, place over the face, open up the airway again. Breath 1, breath 2, looking for the chest rise. This was 1 cycle. We got to do this 5 times. That will make it 2 minutes of time. How easy was this? Are you prepared to save a life?